this is Gabby, and I wanted to emphasize the importance of managing hundreds of accounts safely with multiple browser profiles with the integration of a proxy. This is an important aspect of security for your seller and social accounts on Amazon and Facebook. I want to introduce you to Lalicat. Lalicat software supports all proxy integrations that allow you to set up a unique IP address for each of your browser profiles. And right now I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate a proxy with Lalicat.
I'm going to open the Lalicat software and I'm going to create a new profile. To do this, I click Add Browser. Under the profile name, I'm going to put Proxy Test. Then I'm going to scroll down to the proxy settings and choose the correct proxy. It's important to note that Lalicat supports HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 4, and SOCKS 5, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to choose SOCKS 5. Next, I'm going to enter my IP address and my port number. It's important to know that if it's a login authenticated proxy, you will need to enter your login credentials. Once my information has been entered, I'm going to hit check the proxy to make sure the connection is alive and running. If it shows that the connection is good, I'm good to go and I'm going to save the profile. Once I hit save profile, all the proxy settings will be automatically added to my Lalicat account. I'm going to quickly show you what I'm talking about. From the browser list, I'm going to click run on the proxy profile I just created. This is going to pull up my browser. Once my browser is pulled up, I'm going to head on over to a website called BrowserLeaks, and this is going to allow me to test the aforementioned proxy. When I open IP address, it's going to show that I'm in the United States, in the state of Massachusetts, in the city of Boston. And down here at the bottom, it's going to have my geolocation. All of my information, like my public IP, my DNS, has all been fetched by Lalicat already.
So let's recap. Lalicat supports almost any proxy provider and allows for a very seamless and easy process of integrating proxy and the ability to have a unique IP address for each of your social or seller accounts, which will greatly improve the life and quality of these accounts. I really hope this was useful. Have a great day and thanks for watching.